Learning Urdu Lesson 1. Urdu. There are 39 letters in Urdu language. It is written from right to left and are adapted from Arabic and Persian alphabets, but also contains some sounds from Sanskrit. There are other characters in Urdu which play the role of vowel in Urdu. These are both ways. Either we use 5 alphabets, that is Alif Mad A, Alif, Badi A, Vav, and Choti A. These words are used to make sounds just like vowels do. And there are other characters that helps to make sound. We call them Arab. These Arabs are Zair, Zabar, Pesh, Tashdid, Tanween, etc. These Arabs are adopted from Arabic language. These are Zair, Zabar, Pesh, Tashdid, Tanween, etc. We use them with alphabets when we have to make sounds of any alphabet. These can be more than Zair, Zabar, Pesh. These can be Jazm, Tashdid, Mad, Choti Toe, Khada Zabar, Do Zair, Do Zabar, Ulti Pesh, Do Pesh, you can name them, etc. For instance, let's have an example of alphabet Bay. If we are using Zabar on Bay, we write it on the above of the alphabet and the sound of Bay will become Ba. But if we write it below, it will become Zair and the sound of Bay will become B. If we write Pesh, we put it on above of the alphabet and the sound will become boo. Same goes with the other alphabets. For instance, if I place zabar on pe, the sound will become pa. If I put a zair below the alphabet, it will become p. And if I place pesh, it will be placed on above of the alphabet and the sound will become poo of the same alphabet. We will learn them in any other lessons as a separate topic, inshallah. Now let's learn the alphabets. The first alphabet of Urdu language is Alif. Its sound change depends on where it is used. For example, if it is kept before any other alphabet, it sounds different, that is a. But when it is used after any alphabet, the sound changes to a. You will know it when you will learn to join the spell and make 2 or 3 letter words. If I say in Urdu, Seen se seb, it means A for apple in English. Now let's start the vocabulary. Here the first word is Alif se Allah. Alif is for God or Allah. Alif se Ammi. Alif is for mom. Alif se Abba ya Abbu. Here, ya mean or in English. Alif is for dad. Alif se Urdu. Alif is for Urdu. Alif se anar. Alif is for pomegranate. Alif se angur. Alif is for grapes. Alif se amrud. Alif is for gava. Alif se ananas. Alif is for pineapple. Alif se injir. Alif is for fig. Alif se akhrot. Alif is for walnut. Alif se arvi. Alif is for aram. Alif se adrak. Alif is for ginger. Alif se anda ya ande, which means alif is for egg. If we are talking about one egg, we will call anda. And if we are talking about more than one egg, we will call ande. Alif se akhbar. Alif is for newspaper. Alif se oon. Alif is for wool. Alif se istri. Alif is for iron. Alif se astabal. Alif is for stable. Alif se ambar. Alif is for pile or a stack. A heap of things laid or lying one on the top of another is called ambar in Urdu. Alif se oont. Alif is for camel. Alif se ustad ya ustani. If she is a female teacher, we will call ustani. And if a teacher is male, we call ustad. Alif se insan. Alif is for human. Alif se umeed. Alif is for hope. Alif se auzar. Alif is for tools. This is the second alphabet of Urdu and is called Alif Mad A. Alif Mad A is used when we have to make the voice of Alif a little prolonged. Let's see the example from vocabulary. Alif Mad A se aam. Alif Mad A is for mango. Alif Mad A se aadu. Alif Mad A is for peach. Alif Mad A se aloo bukhara. Alif Mad A is for plum. Alif Mad A se aloo. Alif Mad A is for potato. Alif Mad A se aag. Alif Mad A is for fire. Alif Mad A se aanch. Alif Mad A is for flame. Alif Mad A se asman. Alif Mad A is for sky. Alif Mad A se aankh. Alif Mad A is for eye. If we are talking about a singular eye, that is one eye, it is called aankh. And if you are talking about plural form, both eyes, then we call it aankhein. Alif Mad A se aansu. Alif Mad A is for teardrop. Alif Mad A se aas. Alif Mad A is for hope. Alif Mad A se aaj. Alif Mad A is for today. Alif Mad A se aap. Alif Mad A is for a pronoun you, a formal pronoun used for when we talk to some elders or some respectful person. So to show our respect, we say aap. Alif Mad A se aad. Alif Mad A is for place to hide, anything natural or man-made space behind which one can hide, cover or hide something or someone. We call it aad. Alif Mad A se asan. Alif Mad A is for easy. When we want to say something that is easy, we say it asan. Alif Mad A se ala ya alat. Alif Mad A is for instrument. If it is a singular instrument, we call it ala. And if it is a plural instrument, we call it alat. If they are musical instruments, we call it alate mausiqi. And if they are surgical instrument, we call it alate jarrahi. Alif Mad A se apa. Alif Mad A is for the name of an elder sister. We do not call an elder sister with the name. Rather, we call elder sister Apa ya Baji in our culture. Alif Mad A se Aram. Alif Mad A is for to rest. This is the upper line and this one is the lower line. So we write the alphabet in between two lines. If we have to write alif, we would assume an imaginary line from here, and we will leave the space between the upper line and this imaginary line, and we will draw alif from here to the lower line. We end alif up till the margin of lower line of Urdu page. And if we have to draw the alif mad a, we will make alif of alif mad a little smaller. So see, we have written alif of alif mad a little shorter, and we will make mad on this imaginary line like this. So this is alif and this is alif mad a. That's how we write alif. As it is your first lesson, this is all for today. We will learn the other set of alphabets from Bay to Say with all its vocabulary next week, inshallah. I am sending you the recorded lesson